Hey there, you're saving up for a dream vacation. You've been diligently investing through Acorns, but now it's time to cash in. How do you actually get that money out of Acorns and into your checking account? Let's dive in. Building context. Acorns is a popular investing app that makes it easy to start investing, even with small amounts. But sometimes, you might need to access your funds for a big purchase or an emergency. That's where transferring money from Acorns to your checking account comes in. Before we get into the steps, let's clarify a few things. First, you can only transfer money from your investment portfolio in Acorns. This is the money you've invested in stocks, bonds, and other assets. Second, there might be fees associated with transferring money, depending on your Acorns account type and the amount you're transferring. Step-by-step guide. Open the Acorns app. The first step is to open the Acorns app on your smartphone. Navigate to your investment portfolio, look for the Portfolio tab or a similar icon, which will show you your investment holdings. Select Transfer Funds. You should see an option to transfer funds or something similar. Tap on it. Choose your destination account. Acorns will ask you to select the bank account where you want the money to go. Make sure you've connected this account to your Acorns app. Enter the amount. Input the amount of money you want to transfer. Remember to consider any fees that might apply. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your transfer, including the amount, destination account, and any fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Additional tips. Check transfer status. After you've confirmed the transfer, you can usually track its status within the Acorns app. This will give you an idea of when the money will reach your checking account. Consider transfer fees. As mentioned earlier, there might be fees associated with transferring money from Acorns. These fees can vary depending on your account type and the amount you're transferring. Make sure to check Acorns' fee schedule for more information. Plan ahead. If you need to access your funds for a specific purpose, it's a good idea to plan ahead and initiate the transfer in advance. This will give you enough time to address any potential issues. Conclusion. Transferring money from your Acorns account to your checking account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can easily access your funds when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.